Here's a look at gold on the daily time frame to start off the analysis. And then as we can see here, I have created a little bit of a different color here just to kind of make the overall area that I'm focusing on stand out a little bit better amongst all the other trend lines I have in here, just to kind of keep everybody's eyes focused on the general area here. So what I'm expecting here is maybe this week we'll see highs around 1334, 1335 ish, running into the resistance area right around at 1337. And I imagine we'll kind of trade sideways along this area, not really seeing much of a move up higher than the 1337, 1338 area, and not really heading any lower than 1325. However, in the event that we do break down below the 50 period here, which is also going to be around that 1324, 1325 level, then we'll go ahead and start moving back down to test the lows here around the 1310, which will be right in this area as shown to the left. So again, if we do break down, I don't really see us going too much lower than 1312. And again, it's going to all be dictated by the direction of the dollar. So please watch the dollar index, the dollar analysis video that I have provided as well. So that'll kind of make sense as to what I'm expecting, what I'm seeing, and what I'm allowing room for. So with the with gold's analysis, back to this one, just kind of taking a look at things here in stride. We could really just continue to trade within this overall flag here that is so far what it looks to be. Weekly time frame, shows that our high should be around 1335 ish. Not really looking at anything too much greater than that. Obviously, in the event of a dollar dump off back to the lows, around the 88.65 area, that'll take the price of gold back up a little bit higher, 1340s or so. But overall, we are seeing gold stabilize fairly well, I would say, overall. And as most of you know, I am bullish overall on the price of gold longer term. And with what we're seeing in the markets here, as far as the U.S. stock markets I'm referring to, we could be seeing something, some kind of event coming very soon that's going to kind of start putting a lot of pressure to the upside for gold, downward pressure on the dollar potentially, or in an instance where we could see the price of the dollar as well as gold rally at the same time as everybody starts running into the safe haven assets. So again, with the way the dollar yen looks, gold setting up, and the weakness in the dollar overall, we could see a lot of volatility coming into play very, very soon. And the moving average layout that I see here just with my MAs here and with the 50 below, usually that just means we kind of gyrate between these two until we see a break up or down one way or the other here. But the way I'm seeing it right now, near term, we could see a little bit of a downside in the event of a break of this 1325 area, back down to, like I said, around that 1310 mark, and then try to push back up into this area here. But I really don't see it staying down here too long. I think that we'll just continue to build in this area between 1325 and 1345, let's say, and then we'll see ultimately a breakout coming soon, or just further consolidation. And I'm saying that on a longer term time frame. So let's look at the monthly chart real quick. And here's the monthly chart. I know it's not the most pretty. We have a lot of different resistance areas identified and such, but the major thing to point out here is the fact that we are holding above the black line here, which is the 50 on the monthly time frame. And as you can see, we've just been kind of bouncing up higher, sloping our way up. So again, even if we happen to dip back down to that 1310 area, not the worst thing. We're still basing up higher, and in the longer term, looking for a push back up to those 1400s. So again, that's what I'm seeing here. We are just continuing to just kind of slope our way up, just kind of popping, consolidating, and popping again. So this cycle is continuing to repeat itself. It looks like we're going to see some newer highs in gold soon. Near term, we are, looking at some, consolidation, like I said, around a 1325, may break down, and like I said, 1310, 1312 area should be the area where we hold, and then look for continued upside in the coming weeks from there. So that's what I'm seeing here as far as gold is concerned.